Hey everyone, welcome back. If Instagram keeps logging you out repeatedly, first make sure your app is updated to the latest version. Head over to your app store, search for Instagram, and update the Instagram app if you've not already updated it. Then head over to your settings and then go to general. After that, go to date and time and make sure that your phone's date and time are set to automatically. Then log out of Instagram completely, then log back in carefully. If recently changed your password, make sure you're using the same updated one. Then avoid using any third-party apps connected to Instagram as they can trigger security logout. Restart your phone to refresh app session. If the issue continues, long press on the Instagram app icon, remove app, then delete the app. After deleting it, go to the app store, search for the app and reinstall it to restart your login session completely, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.